Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Simplify Maths with Lalit sir. I'm your mathematics professor Lalit Rangavat and I heartily welcome each one of you in our today's YouTube class, right? YouTube sessions. We will be discussing in our BBQ series, Baby Bullet Question for 1B Telangana students. We'll be doing differentiation top LAQs. So let's get started with today's class without any further ado. In the last two classes, we have completed VSEQs and SEQs of differentiation. Let's get started with the class, guys. So let's start with the first question. First question is this. So we'll start with the substitution. We'll substitute x is equal to sine alpha. So what this value will become? Root over 1 minus sine square alpha. What is 1 minus sine square alpha? Cos square alpha. Root cos square alpha, cos alpha. Now substitute y as sine beta. What this will become? Root 1 minus sine square beta. What is root 1 minus sine square beta? This will become cos beta. Done? Easy part. Okay. Now you have substituted sine alpha as x. What is the value of alpha? Sine inverse x. Similarly, you have substituted sine beta as y. What is the value of beta? Sine inverse y. Why I am doing this, writing this? I'll be using this later on. Okay, this you have to remember. Okay, let's get started with the question then. So now, what we'll be using is this value. This root 1 minus x square. This is cos alpha, no? So you have in question cos alpha. This value is cos beta is equal to a into what is x? Sin alpha minus sin beta. Now, as we have discussed multiple times, what is c plus c? 2cc. What is s minus s? 2cs. If the angle is a, if the angle is b, this angle is a plus b by 2, a minus b by 2. This part we have to remember. Okay. Using this, cos alpha plus cos beta, as we have written there. So it is 2 into cos alpha plus beta by 2 into cos alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to a into s minus s. S minus s is 2 into cos alpha plus beta by 2 into sin alpha minus beta by 2. Can we cancel anything, guys? Yes, we can. Let's cancel. First 2 would be cancel, right? After that, can we cancel cos? Yes, cos is also cancelled. So what is left here is cos alpha plus beta by 2, sorry, minus, my bad. Minus beta by 2 is equal to a into sine alpha minus beta by 2. Now what is cos theta by sine theta? Cot theta. So cot alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to a. Now take cot here. What we'll get is alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to cot inverse a. Now take 2 here. Alpha minus beta is 2 cot inverse a. Now what is the value of alpha and beta? We have written here, no? So let's substitute here. So sine inverse x minus sine inverse y is equal to 2 cot inverse a. So this part is the main first step. Now let's differentiate with respect to x on both the side. Sine inverse x differentiation is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Sine inverse y differentiation is 1 upon root 1 minus y square. And what is the differentiation of y, guys? dy by dx. Now the thing on right side is this part is constant. Constant differentiation will become 0. So now we'll take this on the other side. So this is minus will become plus. Now we'll just cross multiply. So root 1 minus y square by root 1 minus x square is equal to dy by dx. Hardik Pandya. Done? Easy. So this part should be clear with us. Substitution is x is sine alpha, y is sine beta, right? Then cos alpha plus cos beta, sine alpha minus sine beta, cancellation, substitute again, solve. That's it. You can pause, you can practice. I'll move to the next LAQ. Not very tough, no? Okay, let's take the next one. In such case, we'll substitute x square is equal to cos 2 theta. So first what I have is 1 plus x square root, right? 1 plus x square root, or let's write 1 plus x square only, right? 1 plus cos 2 theta. This you have to remember as a result. This is 2 cos square theta. What is 1 minus x square, guys? 1 minus cos 2 theta. This is 2 sine square theta. Done. Now we'll substitute in the question. So y is equal to tan inverse root 2 cos square theta plus root 2 sine square theta, root 2 cos square theta. Now root 2, what you can take common, or let me write this an easy way, root 2 cos theta plus root 2 sine theta whole divided by root 2 cos theta, root 2 sine theta. Now what you can take common is root 2 cos theta plus sine theta whole divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Now root 2 cancel. So y is equal to tan inverse cos theta plus sine theta whole divided by cos theta minus sine theta. Now the next step is interesting, right? So what we'll be doing, guys, in the next step is we'll basically divide by cos theta in numerator and denominator. Let's divide with cos theta in numerator and denominator. This is by cos theta, by cos theta, cos theta, cos theta. So what is y coming out to be? Tan inverse 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Again, you have to remember this as a result. I'll explain again why does that make sense. Tan inverse 10 pi by 4 plus theta by tan a plus b, guys. What is tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Tan a, tan 45 degrees 1. So tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a, which is 1 into tan theta. Now in our calculation, in our understanding, we can assume tan inverse tan will get cancelled. Mathematically that is wrong, but okay, just for understanding, don't show the cancellation. Y is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. Now we'll substitute the value of theta. Let's see how to substitute the value. So you have cos 2 theta is equal to x square. 2 theta is equal to cos inverse x square, right? So what is the value of theta coming out to be? 1 by 2 cos inverse x square, which will substitute here. So y is coming out to be pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. Now we'll differentiate with respect to x. Pi by 4 is constant, its differentiation will become 0. 1 by 2 as it is. Cos inverse x differentiation is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Whatever is here, it's square. So x square square. Is the quotient done? No. Then we'll differentiate x square, which is 2x. 2 cancel. So your final answer will look like as dy by dx is equal to minus x upon root 1 minus x power 4. That's it. Done. Easy, no? Not difficult. Okay. I'll move to the third question. Okay, we have 6 questions, right? So now this looks actually very scary, but trust me, it's not. Okay. So how we'll be going ahead with this question is, we'll assume first of them is u, second is v, and we'll solve them separately. Okay. So let me assume this value as u. So let me start. U is equal to x power 10x. See, you cannot write 10x into x power 10x minus 1. That is possible only when it is variable to the power constant. Here it is variable whole to the power variable. So what we'll take is log on both the side. So log u is equal to log x power 10x. So 10x will come here. So this is 10x into log x. Lot of you have written in pre-final one this as better, right? But still lot of you are still struggling. So let's see. Now we'll differentiate with respect to x. Log u differentiation is 1 by u and u differentiation would be du by dx. Now what we'll apply guys is product rule. What is product rule? We'll differentiate the first one, second would be constant, plus you will keep first as constant, second would be like we have to differentiate. 10x differentiation would be secant square x and this is coming out to be log x as it is, right? Okay, x power 10x question is this only, right? Let's check, question is x power 10x. Okay, yeah, plus 10x as it is, we'll differentiate log x. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. X, please don't cancel. Okay, so now you will take u here. So what is the value of du by dx? U into secant square x log x plus 10x by x. So from here we'll write du by dx. What is the value of u guys? X bar 10x secant square x log x plus, okay. So this part is sorted out. Done? Okay. Now let's see the second part. Now you'll assume this as v. So what is v is equal to sin x whole power cos x. Since it is variable power variable, how will start guys? Taking log on both the side. So log v is equal to log of sin x power cos x. Now everyone know this will come here. So log v is equal to cos x into log sin x. So now the next thing is we'll differentiate again with respect to vx. So log v differentiation 1 by v differentiation dv by dx. Now see, cos x differentiation minus sin x, log will remain constant. Now cos x as it is, now pay attention here. This is a little bit more complicated. Log sin x. First we'll differentiate log. Log sin x differentiation 1 by sin x, like log x differentiation 1 by x, no? So log sin x 1 by sin x. Now what is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x, okay? So now we will take v here. So what we have is dv by dx is equal to v into, this is minus sin x into log sin x plus, now what is cos x by sin x? Cot x. So this can be written as cot x into cos x. Now finally we'll write this as dv by dx. What is the value of v? Sin x power cos x. Whole into, we write generally the plus first. Not necessary, but preferred way. Okay, so this is done. So is our question completed? No, 99% it's completed. Just 1% is left. You have to just add both of them. Why? See, y is equal to u plus v. So what is dy by dx? Du by dx plus dv by dx. Okay, so this part right here. So what is dy by dx? You have to add both of them, no? Sorry. So this is x power 10x into secant square x log x plus 10x by x plus sin x whole power log x cos x into cot x minus sin x into log of sin x. That's it. And that's your answer, guys. Yeah, not very difficult, no? Okay, initially it looks scary, but it's not. Just like me, okay? So let's assume this has u, this has v. Differentiate on both the side and then you will write. Okay, let's take the next question. Last two questions, so just be with me. Up, we'll go fast. Let's assume this is u, this is v. Let's directly write u is equal to sin x power log x, taking log on both the side. So log u is equal to log sin x whole power log x. So log x will come here Now log u differentiation 1 by u du by dx. Log x differentiation 1 by x, this will remain same. Plus log x will remain same. Log sin x differentiation 1 by sin x, then sin x differentiation cos x. So what is du by dx is coming out to be, this u is multiplied here. What is the value of u? Sin x power log x into log sin x by x plus log x into cot x. This is part 1. Let's see the part 2. Okay, let's see the part 2. What is the part 2? V is equal to x power sin x. Now we'll take log on both the side. Log v is equal to log x power sin x. So it's 1 by v dv by dx. Sin x differentiation cos x log x plus sin x log x differentiation 1 by x. So we will come here, dv by dx is equal to x power sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x by x. So now final step what you have to do is add both of them. So dy by dx is equal to add both of them. So sin x power log x log sin x by x plus log x into cot x plus x power sin x log x plus sin x by x. Done and dusted. Easy guys? Yes? All with me? Okay. Awesome. Let's take the last question for the day. Okay. Just one thing you have to apply. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. If there is anything, you have to differentiate here. Again, we'll be using this. Chalo, let's start. So how to do this is, we'll apply product rule. What is product rule guys? First we'll differentiate x and we'll keep this as constant. X differentiation is 1. This would be constant. Plus this would be constant. You will differentiate root x. Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root whatever is inside. Is my part completed? No. Then I'll differentiate what is inside. A square differentiation 0, it's constant, plus x square differentiation 2x plus a square as it is. Now log x differentiation 1 by x. So this would be 1 upon x plus root a square plus x square into, now x differentiation it is 1 plus root x differentiation 1 upon 2 root a square plus x square. A square differentiation 0, x square differentiation 2x. Done? Easy? Okay. Now 2, 2 cancel, 2, 2 cancel. So what we'll get here is root a square plus x square plus x into x is x square. This would be as it is. Now see, I'm taking LCM, so be with me. This is nothing but by 1. So this root is multiplied here. Root a square plus x square. 1 is multiplied with 1. 1 into x is x. Whole divided by 1 into this, which is this. Hope you are now able to see what is the next step. This both will get cancelled. Okay, both will get cancelled. So what we are left with is plus a square, this will get cancelled, so this is a square upon. Now what this can be written as x square plus a square or a square plus x square. Now what you have to apply is logic here. What is 3 by root 3? 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So answer is root 3. What is x by root x? One root will get cancelled now, so it is root x. So from here, what you can write, this both will get cancelled. So what is left here is root a square plus x square. So final answer is root a square plus x square plus root a square plus x square. Okay, this will become 2 times root RHS Hindustan Petroleum. Done. Wow, right? It's not that difficult. When you are solving, you might feel it's so easy. So take care of this. You can pause, get it done. If you have doubt, please ask next day to me or other teachers in the college. Okay? Chalo guys. So thank you so much for staying till the end, and I'm glad that you stayed till this moment and done a very good favor to your future self. Your future self on your 1B examination would be proud of you, right? Make sure you write this without seeing it. And till then, everyone, work hard, study hard, and be smart. I'm your mathematics professor, Lalit Rangavat, signing off, and we'll meet you in the video number 4. Let me know in the comment section which chapter you want. Take care of yourself. Toodles. Bye, everyone.